I got a few people.
Game 2, final.
You go first?
Yes.
I mean, I'd shoot you with a Nerf gun. Never specified.
Got nervous.
See, you should have told me that, because now I'm not going to pay you.
Okay, soul recharge.
Yeah.
Pull a little water. Like, squirt,
Yeah.
squirt. One. Draw 2. Mill 1. Mill 2. Ryko and Baylor. Card Pooper. Mill 3. Gear Free. Thrasher. Reborn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5.
I gotta read Gear Free.
JP.
I think I can't do much changing. Actually, yes, I can.
Hey JP.
Yo.
You still have all these like black ones and stuff?
The what?
The black ones thinkers.
We have a few. Not here though, but it's just like Iron Wing and Silver Wind, I guess.
Do we have armor masters?
No.
No?
Okay.
I'm gonna -1 myself to set up though. Dark hole. Okay. Oh, okay. George. Word Turn Live. Keyword Lady. Gear Free. I'm dropping 3 Gear Frees on you, I think.
Okay. One of them's in the graveyard.
I think I'm dropping 2 Gear Frees, but we'll see.
2 in the graveyard, isn't there?
Yeah, but I got 1 in my hand. I guess I'll grab Ryko. Shit, no, I gotta grab Jimmy. Okay, I'm dropping 2 Gear Frees, sorry, my bad. 2, not 3. Recharge. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Mill those power cards.
That's it. Special Lightray Gear Free. Word Turn Live. Lightray Gear Free back in my hand. Or, let me see. What do I got here? Okay, yeah, I got more than enough. Yeah.
Yeah, you had more than enough. That's why I didn't even check.
I was more so looking at the Warriors in there, not. Shit. Stupid Wonders. Go ahead. I didn't want to set them, I'm like, he's just gonna take them.
Gear Freed's 28?
Yep. Dorga. Yep. Acid Golem.
Good.
Yeah. Response to ducking light. Toss. Grab Baylor.
You didn't smell a necro or anything, did you?
Not yet. Why do I get the feeling that I did the wrong move?
You might need one.
Yeah, but still. I'll be honest with you, I was going to wait till I do the other card after you killed those and I was going to bring them both back up. Again.
Oh.
Gate. That one. Vanish layer Gear Free for that.
Go ahead.
Now I really feel like a douche. Oh well. Worked a lot?
I still don't know what's going
Target?
Uh,
So what are we trying to
Jane.
target?
Yes. But I'm targeting Jane.
It doesn't target.
No?
It just says add one warrior type monster.
Oh, okay. Well, Jane?
How old is that text though?
Oh, yeah.
But then again, I didn't know I was going to draw that next turn, so that's not bad move, I guess.
Yeah, sure.
You charge?
Yep.
Wow. Dude. Wow. Two cards in hand, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Attack with your feet? Yeah, attack. Yeah.
How big is it?
28.
52, I believe. Yeah.
Your move.
Summon?
Sure.
Trigger?
Yep.
Activate?
Sure.
Make it level 3.
Okay. I guess I'll make this place.
Who was this? You really wanted to buy one?
Sorry, viewers, this deck is still someone.
Don't worry about it at all.
Stupid misplace. There was one game I misplayed like 3 times in a row.
Trust me, it's really hard to tell cards
Is that good?
Yep.
Entering my battle phase?
Miller. That's why I should have veilered the shark.
That's why I was wondering. You were waiting. You wouldn't see if I was going to do Zen Mighty and get greedy. Go ahead.
Just a quick question. Say I mind control him, and then you like mirror force or something I can't negate because I don't have worries, right? Do I get to pop with his effect in the end phase or you?
Controller determines.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can choose to
Vector virus?
use
Lost?
Zen Main's effect and then complete Mind Control's effect.
Hell, I'm gonna get greedy. No, I won't. Where are your points at?
52.
Attack with Zen Main's dick. You're done.
You mind control. Oh no, you Violers. Yeah. That's fine.
Gear free?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Moving to game 3.